ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 80. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. 9 10s are 90. 10 1s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 10 3s are 30. 10 4s are 40. 10 5s are 50. 10 6s are 60. 10 7s are 70. 10 8s are 80. 10 9s are 90. 10 10s are 100. यहाँ पर हमारा जो वीडियो है वो कंप्लीट होता है 2 to 10 का टेबल। और अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मेरी वीडियो को प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना भी ना भूलें। तो मिलती हूँ मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ। थैंक यू।